Question 29, another hypothesis test, finding out the critical region. This is a tough topic. It's another two-tailed one, and 10% two-tailed. We want 5% down here, and we want 5% over here. And so what we're doing, we're adding up from 0 up to some number here that we're going to try and figure out in a moment of how many. We've got 15. 15, choose x. 0.34 to the x, 0.66 to the 15 minus x. And we're going to put numbers in here, trying to get a number that's as close to 0.05 as we can. So let's get the calculator up. I've already put in some of it. I need a 0 down here, and the value at the top. Let's have a guess at 3, shall we? Let's have a guess at 3, see what we get. Oh, well, that's far too much. That's 19%. So let's try a bit smaller. Let's try 2. And 2, 7%. That's pretty close. We wanted 5%. Let's just try 1. See if it's... That's just 1. Which one's closest? I think the 2 is, isn't it? So the 2 one there is 0.7%. Let's write that one down first of all. So the probability that x is less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0.07187. There's the lower end. And now let's go and try the higher end as well. So it's up to 15 this time, isn't it? So again, we'll try and replay. And I'll put a 15 here. And what should we try? Should we try 10? Oh, that's tiny. So we need a few more. Let's go to 9. That's pretty quick. That's pretty close. I'll try 8 as well. Just see what 8 is. I think 8's going to be too much though. Yeah, that's 9%, isn't it? We're only aiming for 5. So it was 9. So there we go. So that's the probability that x is greater than or equal to 9 is equal to 0.03505. So my critical region then is x is less than or equal to 2 unioned with x is greater than or equal to 9. That would be my critical region. And what's the actual value, the significance value of the test? Well, it's these two things added together. So I've got the calculator ready there, haven't I? Let's just put plus. Whoops, big ding there. Plus 0.07187, and we've got that's a 10.7%. A 10.7% test there as we look through that. So there's a nice twist in part C, totally unexpected here. But what Donna's decided to do is actually do this twice. So to accept H0, she's saying this has got to happen both times. So if you just think about this naturally then, she's actually making the test harder, isn't she? If you've got to pass it twice, that must be a harder test than just passing it once. So this significance level is going to get, it's going to get harder, so this number is going to go down even more. And you can actually work out what that number is going to be, because the probability of passing the test first time was 0.107. So to pass it twice, it's going to be that squared. So if I just square that answer, we can actually then see that they equals, sorry, the board's not working, so I'll just push equals there. So we've got a 1.1% test now, so it is a smaller significance level, because it's now just a 1.1% test.